Hello. Today I would like to talk about where we put our attention when we are trying to make change and we think about making change. And then we think about all the things that we don't like, that we don't want, that we won't do, the things that we're not willing to do. And I would just say it's really important to be aware of where you place your attention, because when you put your energy on things you don't like, you don't want, you're not willing to do, it's not helpful, really. You just have this resource of your energy, and you can put it towards things you don't like, you don't want, that you don't want to do. Why would you? I think it's great to put your attention on what you do like, what you do want, and what you are willing to do. So if you're thinking about creating content, for instance, and you think, well, I don't want to write and I don't want to do videos and I don't want to be on social media, well, that's fine. But don't keep going on and on about it, just try to pick out what you do want and put your attention there. Like, I do want to create audios. I do want to make a podcast, and I do want to whatever else, what you do want to put your energy into. Maybe you do like writing and you don't like video. There are ways around all the challenges you're facing. And yeah, maybe you think you need to make videos for your business because you keep hearing how it's so important. But you are really, when I started, I was so self-conscious about how I look, how I sound. I just couldn't stand watching my videos at all. And I got really lucky, and I was in a Facebook group, and I was encouraged, like the woman who was running the group was like, let's make a video. I was like, okay. And I made it, and then I watched it, and I was like, no, I'm going to delete it right now. And the woman said to me, look, it's fine, just leave it. You're in a safe space here, because it was in a group, so it wasn't public on Facebook. And that is what really started my journey with video. And I just did videos. I often made videos where the focus wasn't on me. The focus was on helping other people or demonstrating a to-do, how-to kind of video. And that just meant I was getting familiar with the process of clicking record and publishing and all the other steps. And the focus wasn't all on me. Now my challenge has been to make content that is me just talking about things I care about. And for a long time, I didn't feel safe to do that. But now I have all these other things under my belt. I know how to publish. I know how to create the posts and the thumbnails that go with the video and all the other things. So now I'm ready to start posting this content that feels more frightening to me. And instead of focusing on how much I don't want to do that and how it feels like not good, I just put my energy on what I am willing to do, and eventually things changed. So whatever it is for you, I would just encourage you to, yes, give it some awareness. Yes, I do feel a bit nervous about getting online and sharing my thoughts and feelings to the whole wide world. I'm just going to do what I can do. I'm going to focus on what I am willing to do. I'm going to focus on what I do want to do, what I do want, and what I am willing to do. I see it again and again. I didn't want to do writing. I didn't feel like I was a writer. I didn't have an identity of being a writer, but I just started writing. And then eventually, now I see that I am a writer. Even I've published a book and I still don't feel like I am a writer, but it's changing. So yeah, put your attention on what you do want, what you are willing to do, what you do like. And the other things will just fade away in time, or they will change and transform. You don't have to worry about them. But keeping on putting your attention on unwanted things is going to create just negativity in your life, and it's going to use up your energy resource. Say you've got 100% battery of energy of where you can put it. If you're putting all your energy in things that you don't want, you don't like, you don't want to do, where's the energy for all the things you do want to try and do and all the more challenging things? You need to save your energy and conserve it so you can put it towards the things that will help you move forward. I hope that was helpful. I really do understand the challenges of being in business. I've been doing this for 7 years now, and there's so many times I thought I was going to give up. So if you're feeling challenging, that things are challenging right now, I really send you lots of love, and I hope that you find the strength to keep going if that's what you really want to do, or the strength to walk away if that's what you need to do. And I hope your business grows and you have a beautiful day. See ya.